Namaste, I JVN Dr. Y. Chandrakala from Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Today we are going to discuss from the course Agriculture Biotechnology, and from this we will take the session fruits. So in general, fruits are generally a seed associated, a part of a particular plant. Or when we can say in botany, it is a fruit is a seed bearing structure in flowering plants formed from the ovary after flowering. Fruits are the means by which angiosperm disseminate seeds, edible fruits in particular, and have propagated with movement of human and animals as a symbiotic relationship as means of seed dispersal and nutrition. When we talk about seed dispersal, it is the movement or the spread of or transport of seeds away from the parent plant. Okay, and it is helpful for the nutrition, which is for the maintenance of the growth, reproduction, health, and disease in living organism. It includes food intake and absorption, assimilation, biosynthesis, catabolism, and excretion. In fact, in human and many animals have become dependent on fruits as a source of food. As we need food for our daily nutrition or energy, so we are dependent on fruits as the part of diet. Fruits normally is a fleshy seed associated structure of a plant that are sweet or sour or edible in the raw state, such as apple, banana, grapes, lemon, orange, or strawberry. Okay. Even on other hand, the fruits includes many structures that are not commonly called food, such as bean pod, corn, kernels, tomato, but they are edible. Okay. So when we see the different simple fruit can be either dry or fleshy. Okay. So we take it as when we see the fruits classification, it is categorized into 6 categories according to their physical characters, like berry, drupe, pome, citrus fruits, melon, tropical fruits. Berries are small juicy fruits with the thin skin or fragile cell structure. For example, blackberry, blueberry, raspberry, strawberry, caneberry, grapes. Okay. Next, the drupe. Outer skin covers a soft, fleshy fruits. The fruit surrounds a single hard stone or a pit, which contains the seed. For example, cherries, plums, apricot, peaches. Next is pome type. Smooth skins with central seeds containing core and thick layer of flesh. For example, apples and pears. Citrus fruits, thick rind and thin membrane separating the flesh into segments. Normally grown in a warmer region. For example, orange, limes, lemon. Next is melon, a part of the gourd family and largely juicy and thick red, like watermelon, honeydew. Tropical fruits is any fruit produced by a tree native to the tropics. Tropics are generally defined as the region of a globe between Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn, and the environmental conditions are unique, creating a habitat for diverse animal and plants. Example, banana, mango, papaya, pineapples, pomegranate, and kiwi fruits. If we see the global fruit production, then India is next to China in food production. So when we see the food processing of a fruit, so it is first the dumping, then sorting, then we will take the washing, then waxing, chemical treatment, and then grading. Then comes a packing, pre-cooling, and storage take place in a process of from harvesting to the marketing. Dumping, when we talk, it must be done gently, whether used water assist method or dry dumping. Wet dumping can decrease brushing or abrasions or by using movement or chlorinated 100 to 150 ppm water to carry a delicate produce. When using a dry dumping, padded slope ramps are for moving the conveyor belt can decrease injuries to the product. Processing of the fruits. Sorting. Freshly harvested fruits are short by uniformity in size, shapes, and variety of characteristics. Damaged or discolored or decayed part of the are removed from making the product attractive or prevent infections or infected part. Then washing. Washing is necessary to remove the excess extra materials from the like dirt, chemical, latex. This is done by using chlorine treatment of 100 to 150 ppm and can be used to wash with water. And pathogens are removed by maintaining a pH in the water also. And chlorinated treatment is used. Then comes the processing of the food. If we see, then comes the drying. Drying is done by removing the excessive moisture from the surface of the product. Okay. Then waxing. Waxing is done by certain type of fruits such as citrus, melon, or to reduce the water loss. And in order to make it for increasing the shelf life. Then waxing, like it is done by liquid paraffin wax, slab wax, spray, dipping in a cold wax. Then comes chemical treatment, fungicides and growth regulators are common used to reduce the decay or undesirable growth or damage or growth of bacteria or fungi or damaged by them. In order to avoid this, fungicide is used for as and certain grading is done. Certain grading is done here. Fresh fruits are classified into like they are set into size, different size and shape. They are arranged in according to their grading. Depend upon the quality of the fruits. Then packing takes place. Packing fruit are packed in a suitable container to provide protection against the mechanical and biological damage during the transportation, subsequent handling uh, during the operation also. So packing material should be accepted standard with regard to the strength and resistance to the pressure of the box. The package should have adequate ventilation so that it should not get warm up or heat raised from respiration. Excess ventilation may cause wilting. So it has to make the appropriate proper ventilation according to the requirement. Like wooden packing can be done with wooden boxes, beans, trays, canvas, paper box, or plastic box, or a flexible or a polyester combined material. So next that is pre-cooling method. So room cooling, packed or with a air cooling or hydro cooling can be done with hydro cooling done by shower type or immersion type or vacuum cooling in which water evaporates from the fruit at very low air pressure. So from harvesting and collection, when it goes to the industry for the packing or preparation of fruit as a product. So it is again, it is like harvested and collected collection of material, and then the collected fruit material is again sent to the uh, industry for cleaning, grading, and then preparation, extraction of, if it is a fruit, it is used for extraction of juices. In the first, it is metal in the industry, they are grade, fresh, cleaned, and then used for the juice preparation. Pasteurization of the extraction of juice take place, then pasteurization of the flash pasteurization is used for the minimum um, uh, bacterial or infection, fungal infections. That is, typically the temperature is 185 to 201, and for about 30 seconds in adequate to reduce the microbial count, and preparing the juice for filling. Filling and packing take place, and it can be stay sustained. The they have, the packing will be very uh, like in a proper package has to be done in order to make it to sustain 6 to 8 months at room temperature. Byproduct waste come out of the industry, which will be used as a livestock, or packed in or dehydrated into some other jellies or something, uh, some forms. Okay. So in total, it has a lot of eff- uh, effect on the human beings, from starting from the harvesting of the crop or utility of the crop, to that of the industrial utilization and storage. Okay. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.1 Vidyapeeth Women's University. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any queries, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.